the theme of life below water. Life below water refers to SDG 14, one of the Sustainable Development Goals or SDGs set by the United Nations. It focuses on the conservation and sustainable use of oceans, seas, and marine resources. Oceans cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface, and they play a critical role in regulating the global climate, supporting biodiversity, and providing food, income, and livelihoods to millions of people worldwide. However, human activities such as overfishing, pollution, habitat destruction, and climate change are threatening the health of marine ecosystem.
The degradation of marine ecosystems not only impacts biodiversity but also global food security. With over 3 billion people relying on marine resources for food, declining fish populations and habitat destruction can lead to broader food crisis. Additionally, many coastal communities depend on marine-based tourism, which is also threatened by environmental degradation.
Perspective 1. Economic cost. While there are initial costs associated with conservation, it is essential to consider the long-term cost of inaction. The economic losses from declining marine resources can far exceed the investment made in preservation. 2. Impact on industries. To mitigate negative impacts on industries, an inclusive and participatory approach is necessary, involving stakeholders, including fishermen and tourism operators, in the decision-making process can help find balanced solution. 3. Resource allocation. An integrated approach can help address this issue. For instance, conservation programs that also include training for new skills for coastal communities can assist them in transitioning to more sustainable source of income without neglecting their immediate needs.
Step 1 for reduce marine pollution. Implement and enforce policies to reduce plastic waste and the other pollution such as chemical and underrated sewage from reaching the ocean. Step number 2 is a protect and restore marine ecosystem. Establish marine protected areas for MPAs and invest the restoration of vital ecosystem like coral reefs, mangroves, and seagrass beds. Step number 3 is sustainable fishery management. Enforce sustainable fishing practice to prevent overfishing and to protect marine species from being exploited. Step number 4 is improve scientific knowledge and monitoring. Invest in marine research to better understand ocean ecosystem and the impact of human activities on marine life. Step number 5, address climate change and ocean acidification. Mitigate the impact to climate change on ocean by reducing greenhouse gas emission and increasing effort to curb ocean acidification. Step number 6 is increase public awareness and education. Educate communities, business, and government about the importance of ocean conservation. Step number 7 is promote sustainable coastal development. Ensure that development along coastlines is carried out in an environmentally sustainable manner to avoid damage to marine ecosystem. Next, for step number 8 is support international collaboration and governance foster international cooperation to manage shared ocean resources and address global threat to marine life. Step number 9 is promote sustainable marine technologies. Invest in the new technologies and innovation that enable more sustainable ways to use marine resources. Step number 10 is the last step. Empower local communities. Involve local communities in decision-making processes related to marine resource management.
Pro perspective. Argument for prioritizing marine conservation. 1. Biodiversity preservation. Oceans are home to a vast array of species that are crucial for maintaining ecological balance. Protecting marine life ensures the stability of food chains and the overall health of the planet. 2. Economic benefits. More than 3 billion people depend on marine biodiversity, their livelihoods. Sustainable management of ocean resources can lead to long-term economic gains and job security.